Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Happy New Year from Memphis, Tennessee. It is actually 10:30 right now, so it's still New Year's Eve, but everywhere else in the world it is 2019, so Happy New Year, everybody. By the time that this video is up, it'll be 2019, so it doesn't matter anyway. I just wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I'm not doing anything for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. I just got off of a 12-hour shift at work, and I got to be back in at 9:45 a.m. I know there's people who have to work at like 5 or 6 a.m. that are going to party all night long and probably not even sleep. But the difference between me and them is I have to work pretty much every day of January. I'm going to take off the last 3 days of January to go up to St. Louis for some concerts. But other than that, I'm working every day, and I'm going to be working 80 hours this week, next week, the week after, and the week after. So that'll be fun. My 2019 New Year's resolutions. Number 1, I want to go to at least, at minimum, 30 concerts in 2019. I only went to 18 concerts in 2018. Previous years, I went to over 30. Concerts are like therapy for me, so it kind of makes sense why I've been more depressed in 2018 than ever before. I haven't been going to concerts like I used to, so I definitely want to get back into going to gigs, going to see amazing bands live. That is definitely something that soothes my heart, my brain, just everything. It makes me feel good. So I definitely want to go back to doing a lot of concerts per year. And 2019, I'm going to get back on track. So 30 concerts at minimum. New Year's resolution number 2. I weigh about 160 pounds, which I guess isn't terrible, but I'm 5'3". I need to watch my weight. I need to eat healthier. I need to start working out. I at least want to get down to 140. People say that men shouldn't worry about their weight, weigh whatever, and I totally disagree with that, especially if you're short, because unfortunately no women, well, I'm sure there are women, but most women do not like short, fat men. Most women don't like short men, period. But I don't want to be 220 pounds and 5'3". I don't have anywhere for it to go, so it's all going to go right here, my leg. It's not going to look pretty. So I definitely want to start watching my weight and what I consume. So I might not be drinking as many of these as I usually have in the past. So New Year's resolution number 3. I want to go to at least, at minimum, 15 countries in 2019. Notice I didn't say new countries, just 15 countries in general. Because if I'm going back to a certain country, obviously it impacted me and made me feel good to actually want to go back. So 15 countries excluding the United States of America. So 16 altogether. And New Year's resolution number 4. I want to start doing daily vlogs, but it won't start on January 1st, 2019, even though this is a January 1st vlog. I have to work every day of January. I'm working about anywhere from 8 to 16 hours a day. There is absolutely no room to record. And even if I had room to record, there's no room to edit. Edit usually takes longer than recording. So with that being said, I'm not going to be doing daily vlogs starting on January 1st. But my trip to Asia, well, Los Angeles first, but my trip starts February 25th. So from February 25th, 2019 to January 1st, 2020, I will be doing daily vlogs. So stay tuned for that. I'm not really sure how many days that is. If I had to do the math quick in my head, that's about 300 vlogs around there. So stay tuned for that. That's about all my New Year's resolutions. So smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and drink a Coca-Cola, maybe some Jack with it. Enjoy 2019. If you have any New Year's resolutions for 2019, let me know in the comments. We gotta support each other, support my goals, support my resolutions. I support yours. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, I should have turned my phone off. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. And that's it.
Uncle Z, don't go in go to the upstairs bathroom, Uncle Z.
No, don't go to the upstairs bathroom.
Why?
Ah.
Sing right now.
Oh no, don't jump. Don't jump.
Juliana.
Don't jump, don't jump. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
Do you want a bow? Where do bows go?
Hey,
Oh,
that's smart. You're smart.
Yes, you are. What?
Well,
Can I have the bow? Can I have the bow? Oh, be careful. Here, sit down.
Hey Bella, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You gotta say it with enthusiasm. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Be more enthusiastic, Bella. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
That's better. Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul, done. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, like on.
Happy New Year. That's good.
Four, three, two, one.
Woo!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Juliana!
Happy New Year, Bella.
Happy New Year, Juliana! You made it to midnight!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
New Year! Lots of people are putting out fireworks still.
It's New Year! Woo! You better go in there and tell Papa Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Wait, you had the same channel on there!
Happy New Year! Yay!
Yeah! Can I say the bubble drop?
Yes, and it dropped.
Yeah! It's 2019!
Happy New Year!